All right, the drink we're about to make is called Cinnamon Toast. Not just a tasty breakfast, it's also a tasty cocktail. Now imagine yourself on a nice autumn day looking for a way to spice up your hot apple cider, which we have right here. This is what you're going to do. You're going to add some spiced rum. I'm going to add 2 ounces, but it's up to you on how much you want to add yourself. Now I'm going to follow that up with some sugar. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, go ahead and take your spoon and stir it up. And you want to obviously mix the rum in with the apple cider, but also try to dissolve the sugar in there. There we go. That should do. And if you'd like, you can take some cinnamon and rim your glass with the cinnamon. You don't have to do that. You can actually just give it a dash of cinnamon in with the drink. Just float it right on top. And that'll do. But that is cinnamon toast. Bottoms up.